Welcome to FITB, or From Idea to Build, where we'll be covering various subjects and projects ranging from taking you from buying your first 3D printer, choosing what you should get, all the way up to building your own custom 3D printer. We'll also be doing a custom build of a NAS main PC built into an arcade cocktail cabinet. This will be doing various things for my home services as well. I'll also be planning a monthly to semi-monthly general roundtable for the 3D printing. It'll be lesson plan oriented over a 12 to 18 month period, and it'll cover various questions like what printer should I get, how do I get my first print, what's a slicer, what's it doing, where do I get models, how do I modify them for my own purposes, how do I generate my own models, all the way up to getting a second printer, and all the way to building your own custom purposed 3D printer. We'll be building a large format one that'll have a couple of unique features you generally don't see. For the custom builds, our first project, as I mentioned, will be a RAID box in an arcade cabinet, one of the cocktail style sit-down ones. That'll be running Unraid, and virtualized on top of that will be a Windows 10 environment running MAME with controls at each seating position, as well as running a couple Linux VMs, a Plex server, and a couple other things. It'll be covering NAS for my home and all that kind of work. The roundtable, which we're calling Off Subject, will be a half an hour to hour long, once or twice a month. It'll cover all kinds of different subjects with various local hoodlums, nerds, builders, pretty much anything that we want to discuss in the world of nerdery or fabrication. Other projects you might see is a 1941 Cadillac that was kind of a family heirloom, needs a new drivetrain, so you might see major steps of that with videos uploaded, as well as tips and tricks for Linux system administration, motorcycling, small metal manufacturing, or not manufacturing, fabrication, as well as game building, other things like that. Who knows? In the meantime, expect our first content to start coming online mid to late June. In the meantime, look forward to the ride.